Boston. The Boston Celtics missed opportunity to take control of their Eastern Conference semifinal matchup against the Philadelphia 76ers, dropping Game 1 in Boston on Monday night 115 to 119, despite MTV candid Joel Embiid being sidelined with sprained right knee. The Celtics shot 58.7% from the field and go 39 points the Jayson Tatum, but Boston couldn't match the same intensity on the defensive end, allowing Philadelphia to shoot 15.6% from the field. The Sixers were also carried by James Harden, who put up 45 points and hit the go-ahead 3-point with 8.1 seconds remaining. I felt like we started off well offensively, but I don't think there was a sense version on the defensive end. Celtics central Harford side after the game. Aggressive Harden takes over 76 Tennessee 6 HTAM Bountown. That was crazy. No cap how one wild sequence helped the 76ers steal game 1. One for each brain wind horse NBA playoffs 2023. Well, Tatum said he didn't think the Celtics underestimated the Sixers without Embiid. He did agree that Boston intensity on defense was not the level it needed to be. This is the third time the Celtics and Sixers have faced each other in the playoffs in the past 6 seasons, and Boston entered this series 8-1 against Philadelphia in those two matchup. Thank you for watching. Don't forget subscribe.